Most phones today are trying to play it safe by being decent at everything, but this blacked out powerhouse has absolutely no interest in being a well-rounded social media tool. It is a specialized piece of hardware designed for one thing only, and that is raw, unfiltered performance. Holding it feels more like holding a piece of precision engineering or a high-end handheld console than a typical mobile device. The heart of this machine is a custom-tuned version of the most powerful processor on the market, backed by a massive amount of memory that ensures you never have to reload an app. They have pushed the limits of what this chip can do by cranking up the clock speeds to levels that would normally melt a standard phone. To handle all that heat, there is a literal physical fan spinning inside the chassis. You can actually feel the air moving if you hold your finger near the vents. It is a strange sensation at first, but it means you can play the most demanding titles for hours without seeing a single frame drop. Most devices start to throttle their power after 10 minutes of intense use, but this one just stays cool and keeps pushing. The sheer numbers it puts up in performance tests are staggering. It is the first time I have seen a mobile device reach these kinds of single-core scores, making it feel more like a laptop than a pocket device. In real-world use, this translates to zero lag. Everything happens the instant you touch the screen. Then you have that screen itself. It is a massive, expansive panel with absolutely no interruptions. No notch, no hole punch, nothing but pure display. They tuck the front camera underneath the pixels, so when you are in a game, the immersion is total. It is nearly 7 inches of pure glass. At a high-speed refresh rate, every movement on the screen is liquid. It makes the standard screens we see on most basic phones feel broken or laggy by comparison. Of course, all that power requires a massive amount of energy, and they did not hold back on the battery. We are talking about a high-capacity cell that is significantly larger than what you find in almost any other flagship. It lasts through marathon sessions that would kill most other phones by lunchtime. When you finally do run low, the charging speed is nothing short of breathtaking. You can plug it in, go grab a cup of coffee, and come back to a device that is ready to go for hours more. However, you have to be okay with the weight. This is a heavy, substantial piece of kit. It has a presence in your hand and your pocket that you cannot ignore. It feels like a tool, not a toy. The cameras are the only area where things feel a bit average. They are totally fine for a quick photo, but they lack the polish and the sensor size you would get from a dedicated photography-focused flagship. But that is the trade-off. This device is for the person who cares more about their frame per second count than their portrait mode. It is a bold, unapologetic statement about what mobile hardware can do when you stop trying to please everyone and focus entirely on the hardcore user. This isn't just about playing games. It is about having a device that never says no to any task you throw at it. If you want the fastest, loudest, and most capable mobile experience possible, this is the final word in that conversation. It knows exactly what it is. It is not a fashion accessory. It is here to win.